हम लोगों ने लास्ट पार्ट में हम लोगों ने 63 तक देखा था, जो MCQ हम लोग का था उसको। अभी हम पार्ट थर्ड में देखेंगे 64 से, कोशिश करेंगे कि पूरा फिनिश कर दें। अगर नहीं होता तो फिर हम लोग एक पार्ट और बनाएंगे, पार्ट 4, पर कोशिश रहेगा कि मैं इसी में ख़त्म कर दूँ। ठीक है, तो 64 है। क्वेश्चन नंबर, स्मार्ट OS इज एन मेमोरी ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम। इसका आंसर होगा ए, बूट्स डायरेक्टली इनटू रैंडम एक्सेस मेमोरी। एक्सप्लेनेशन यहाँ दिया हुआ है, आप पढ़ सकते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 65, आउट ऑफ द फ्लोइंग विच इज नॉट एन ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम सर्विस? फाइल सिस्टम मैनिपुलेशन, कम्युनिकेशंस, DMA प्रोसेसिंग, एरर डिटेक्शन। DMA प्रोसेसिंग। क्वेश्चन नंबर 66, communication is mean one process needs to exchange information with another process. A very simple example is copy from one program in paste in another program. This program under executing is process. True, false? True is the right answer. 67, select the cell used in Linux system. Borny, again cell, D cell, history cell, both B and C. Option A is the right answer. Borny, again cell. Mode bit is set to 0 when operating system switch from use to kernel mode. True, false? True. Question number 69, MS-DOS was written for the Intel 8088 architecture which has no mode bit, no dual mode bit, both A and B, both A and B, no mode bit and no dual mode. Option D is the right answer. Explanation भी यहाँ दे चुका है। Question number 70, a software which beside hardware is called as hardware, software, firmware, netware. Firmware is the right answer. Option C is the right answer. 70 का C. Full form of CDE, common desktop environment. CDE, common desktop environment. CLI stand for, B is the right answer, character lower interface. character lower interface. GUI, graphical user interface, ये तो सब जानता हुआ, GUI, right? graphical user interface, इसका C होगा, right? C is the right answer. Question number 74, debugging facilities can greatly enhance the users and programmers abilities to use the system efficiently. True, false? True is the right answer. A is the right answer. 74 का A. Mac OS X has, which is part implemented using dash kernel, Linux, Unix, Doc, Windows. Unix is the right answer. Option B is the right answer. Question number 76, dash instructions are used to modify these counters: micro, macro, privileged, pseudo, privileged. Question number 77, Unix users prefer a dash interface, command line, graphical user, character user, GNOME user. Command line is the right answer. 77 का हमारा A होगा, right? Command line. Question number 78, Microsoft first version of Windows 1.0 was based upon interface to dash operating system. यहाँ पे आंसर होगा GUI DOS. ये अलग अलग है, GUI, DOS. Option D is the right answer. Question number 79, what is shell script? What is shell script? Option C is the right answer. A file containing series of commands is the right answer. 79 का C होगा. The first line in any shell script begins with a. ये बहुत important question है. Question number 3 is the right answer. हैश से हमारा फर्स्ट लाइन shell script स्टार्ट होता है. Question number 81, to run a script we should make it executable first by using chmod plus X, commode X, commode R, commode W, commode R, W X. Commode X is the right answer. Option A is the right answer. 81 का 82 का which command is used to for making the scripts interactive? IP input, read, write. Read is the right answer. Read is the right answer. Which command used for making scripts interactive? Read. What is the positional parameters? Option A is the right answer. A special variables for assigning arguments for the command line. Special variables for assigning arguments for the command line is the right answer. 84 का आंसर हमारा क्या है? The command set of positional parameters is stored in the dash single string. Option C is the right answer. $. Which of the following is used for storing number of positional parameters? Which of the following used for the storing number of positional parameters? इसका आंसर होगा $#. Question number 86. Echo command used for displaying diagnostic message. It is 86 का C. 87 का which are sequences? Special characters begin with dash backslash. Option A is the right answer. 87 का A. Which command is used as alternative to echo command? Is printf, wc, ps, printf. Question number 89. H option used with who command for what purpose? Display output with header information. Option A is the right answer. Which command is used for displaying contents of a file? cp, rm, cat, mk, dir. Option C is the right answer. Cat is the right answer. Which command is used for displaying the contents of file? Cat. A part of displaying file contents cat command is also used for dash file, displaying, deleting, copying, creating. Creating is the right answer. Option D is the right answer. 92. Apart from displaying file contents, cat command is also used for the files. Option A is the right answer. 92 का displaying. What is the function of cp command Linux? Option C is the right answer. cp is command used for copying file and directories. 93 का C answer. 94. What happens if the destination file specified in cp command does not exist? Option C is the right answer. Destination file will be automatically created. Question number 95. What is the correct syntax? Copy multiple files with a file name starting as file into another file named as directory 1. Option C is the right answer. cp file start directory 1 directory _1. Question number 96. To delete all files in a directory we use. Option C is the right answer. rm start. Which command used for removing file name file txt? Option C is the right answer. rm -- file .txt. Which command used for the words, line and character in a file? Diff, count, man, wc. Which option is used for counting numbers of lines in file only? -1. What does the following command do? Reads word count from simple txt and write it to be new file. Linux offers a pager named dash which has replaced the original pager of Unix called more less more pg more. C is the right answer. More pg. Which command is used to change permission of a file? commod ch com ch group commod ch mod. Which of the following characters specify the user and the group category? U and G. To assign execute permission to a user owner for a file named file 0.txt, which of the following command will be used? Option D is the right answer. do x file 01txt. D is the right answer. What does the following command do? Option A is the right answer. $chmo. इसको प्रोनाउंसिएशन कैसे करेंगे लेकिन आप लोग देख लीजिएगा. ऑप्शन ए इज द राइट आंसर. गाइज ये हमारा यहाँ पे कंप्लीट हो गया. ये चैप्टर हम लोग का बुक का. बट आपको मैं टॉपिक बाय टॉपिक में वीडियो बनाने वाला हूँ इस पर. बट ये हमारा बुक का जो भी था क्वेश्चन पूरा कंप्लीट हो गया चैप्टर फर्स्ट का. होप सो गाइस वीडियो पसंद आया तो प्लीज़ लाइक कीजिएगा और हो सके तो प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब करके एक छोटा सा सपोर्ट दीजिएगा. और हम फिर बनाने वाले टॉपिक बाय टॉपिक इसी का यूनिट फर्स्ट का सारा वीडियो, तो उसमें आपको प्लेलिस्ट में मिल जाएगा, तो आप प्लेलिस्ट में चेक कर सकते हैं. तो गाइस इसे आप जरूर देखिएगा, एक दो बार देख लीजिएगा तो अच्छे से रिवीजन हो जाएगा. और हाँ, एक चीज़ और कि इसको अगर आपको PDF चाहिए तो मैं PDF भी आपको देने के लिए तैयार हूँ, अगर आप कमेंट बॉक्स में अगर आपको रिक्वायरमेंट हो तो. थैंक यू.